welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make a very easy flower card. Means it is a very easy and a very unique card. So let's start making. These are two pieces of same paper and we will need 8 into 8 centimeter paper, glue, permanent black marker. This is optional. This is pink color sketch pen, scissor and pencil, and a very small piece of glitter foam sheet. Of my card, and I have written happy birthday here because my cute little sister's birthday is coming, and you can write note inside here, and it is very unique and very beautiful from outside. So if you like this beautiful flower card, please like this video and also subscribe my channel Oishi's Creation for more amazing and crafty videos. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.